You don't find opportunities like this often. Here's why. Every home you've ever toured was finished by someone else. Their driveway, their pool, their taste. Not this one. Take a good look at this home in Lancaster, California. Brand new custom construction, over 3,600 square feet of living space that no one has ever lived in. Sitting on close to 2.5 acres, waiting on exactly one thing: your vision. Step inside and you'll notice soaring ceilings, a chandelier over a tile medallion, and a sightline that runs straight through the house to an open sky. Just imagine Sunday mornings here. Coffee, quiet, and abundant outdoor space that LA money can't buy. What you're seeing are 3D renderings of the real floor plan, virtually staged by design. Your furniture goes here next. The stunning kitchen features dual islands with natural stone counters, double ovens, built-in gas range cooktop, a wine fridge, a full-size pantry, and room to host both sides of the family without breaking a sweat. No more fighting over closet space. Your primary suite features a wet room shower with a rainfall shower head and a soaking tub, as well as dual walk-in closets and vanities. 4 additional bedrooms and 3 additional bathrooms round up the living space, providing just the right amount of space for the entire family. Everyday amenities sit a short distance away. Enjoy a glass of wine at the local winery, at the end of just a 5-minute walk from your doorsteps. Shopping is just a short drive away. Head over to downtown to the boulevard. Walk tree-lined streets to the farmer's market every Thursday evening. Costco, shopping and dining, all inside an 8-minute drive from your doorstep. Here's what makes this one rare. A blank exterior canvas allows you to bring your vision to life on 2.5 acres. That's not a compromise. That's the whole point. You choose the hardscape. Pavers or stamped concrete, an ADU, swimming pool, an orchard, outdoor kitchen, horse stable. With this much land, the possibilities are endless. Normally, the only way to get to this point in a custom home of your own is to spend 1.5 years building it yourself. And here's the secret almost nobody knows. Traditional renovation financing exists for exactly this scenario. VA, FHA, and conventional mortgage programs allow you to include the costs of finishing your dream home into the mortgage itself, even for those purchasing with a low down payment. Designed once, a home that cannot be duplicated in your vision, done your way. Come view this home for yourself during one of our open houses. After that, this canvas belongs to someone, because opportunities like this only sell once.